The children playing.
Yeah, yeah, they are happy. And the wolf is very happy. Oh, you saw him how he's happy going all the way to
Yes, so
take pictures,
beautiful.
and we sent to Madame Isabel because
Yes.
she telephoned. She said,
She
send
said,
pictures. I said, I cannot send.
I will
don't
send to
know.
her, okay? But very nice, really. Mm. Madam, in your backyard, we're going to take picture in your backyard, in the other side.
The garden is very nice.
Yeah, we will take picture also
Yes.
there. Barked.
And the motor is giving caraba, huh?
Nice,
motor,
it's
yes.
nice, yes.
I think it will become more because it's coming.
Until Saturday, I think this one is torn. The Novar and Barked. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I will send. I will send this one to Madam Isabel, the video. Still snowing. The road is closed. No school, no work.
Maybe you never saw the Shaida coming. You saw in your life this?
No,
No.
this first time.
First time.
Last year, no, it's not like this. Yeah, no, it's okay.
I never saw like this.
Also?
No?
Ay. Beautiful.
Okay.
Wolf! Oh, lala, pagkising mo sa umaga. Wow. Parang nasa paradise. Oh, look. Snow. Ang ganda niya. Beautiful. No school, no work. snow time. Let it snow, let it snow. It's cloudy. Yalla, come. Good dog. Yee. Bravo. Very good. Good girl, good girl. Snow, 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 snow. Good dog.